Now, one of the things it doesn't talk about, but some of the other work that you and I both do, when we're talking about recognition and alignment and stuff with the MVP, the mission, vision, values, purpose, um, things like that, and the work relationships that people have. People don't leave jobs or become disengaged with jobs, because they're disengaged with the work that they do. It typically goes around their leadership, right? Is why they're getting disengaged. And it also, because they're not having conversations, leadership is not having conversations with the employees, like true one-on-one, belly button to belly button conversations with people, right? So we see that all the time in the businesses we work with, when they tell us, oh, well, they don't want to show up to work. We just want them to show up, get on the machine, do the thing they need to do. Then they're free to go home and do whatever. That's what we want them to do. But that leads to the disengagement because you didn't get off your ass, walk over there and have a conversation with these people that is actually what they're looking for.